welcome back to another vlog. I thought I would do another weekend in my life vlog. I haven't done one of these in ages and I tried to vlog all week and it was an absolute flop. So I've just decided to start fresh and just film a weekend in my life. So it is Saturday today and I'm talking to you fairly late in the day. It is currently 3:20, but that's because I had work all morning and I pretty much only just got home. On my way home, I did pick up a package from Teddy Blake and I thought that I would open this on camera with you guys and show you what I got. They were kind enough to send this to me, but as always, all opinions are my own and I will be honest with you guys because you guys are my friends and I love you a lot. Look how big this is. Are you joking? I'm so confused. Let's have a gaze. Oh. Ooh. So this is the box. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Ooh. Honestly, this is kind of like a good storage box. I might keep this. Oh yeah, so cute. So I picked up this plain black bucket bag. You really can't go wrong with bucket bags. I think they're so cute and you just fit so much inside. Wow, this feels like such good quality. Oh, cool. Wow, almost like literally threw that in the bin. Oh, that is actually really smart. So this is like connected to the handle. Instead of digging around in your bag, you can just find this and pull it out. That's really smart. Or you could just detach it if you wanted and use it as a pouch. The strap is really thick around the shoulder. It has like a little padding thing, which is really nice. So it'll be really comfy on the shoulder. It's adjustable as well with these cute little gold detailing. I think this is so cute. Yeah, that's so cute. Thank you so much to Teddy Blake for sending me this bag. I'll have their website and this bag linked down below if you are interested. But anyway, moving along with my Saturday, I had many plans when I got home from work, but honestly, I am exhausted. I worked out at 6 AM this morning and my body's just been aching all day at work. Work was super busy. And it's also a little bit muggy, like it just rained and it's really hot. I was gonna do a like speed clean of the house, but I think I might just wait until it cools down a little bit. So I think I'm gonna go to Zarafa's and edit. I would edit at home, but I'm not very productive when I'm by myself and Rachel has left me all afternoon. So I might go to Zarafa's and edit for a little bit, try and get my vlog finished. And then I'll come home and I wanna like sweep the house and clean the bathroom and meal prep a little bit as well. So that's the plan for the rest of my Saturday. This isn't gonna be like a big, extravagant, fun weekend in my life. Just to like pre-warn you. Gonna be a pretty boring weekend, but just wanted to bring you along anyway. Makes my life more fun and hopefully you enjoy this as well. I think I have like one fun thing planned for tomorrow, so that'd be good, but I'm gonna go decide what I want to do for the rest of my day and I will chat to you later. Cleaned up the house a little bit and now I am at Zarafa's. It's honestly not a Georgia Richards vlog if I don't go and edit at Zarafa's. So I'm gonna go in and hopefully finish off my vlog. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I'm gonna go. It is Sunday morning and Rachel and I are about to head off to Ikea. We have been wanting to do this Ikea trip for so long and we just feel like the things that we're going to get are really going to bring especially our office together. We want to get... I don't even think so.
You have to show them because I feel like this is like...
I definitely vlogged in front of it yesterday and didn't mention the thing. Look at our lounge room. I can't believe how good it looks. Like I expected it to look good, but like this looks incredible.
We're going to have a gallery wall.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Just wait for my design and hands.
It's so cute. The couch, the coffee table and the rug are all from Fantastic Furniture.
I
So
love
cute.
it.
It's so perfect. So today at Ikea, we're gonna try and focus on this room a little bit. We want to get a cube storage system to go right here to store all of our content creation needs. That's the plan.
And then this will just move over this side.
Yeah.
And we'll just figure everything out a little bit more.
Yeah.
Maybe we can do some spray painting today if we can.
Oh yeah.
Get a chance.
We made it to Ikea and this is the storage unit that we're looking at getting. We're gonna flip it on its side so it's long along the floor, and we're gonna get these little baskets for it as well. The storage unit is all that we came for, but we're still gonna do a full lap of Ikea and just see if there's anything else that we need. Now we're at the fun part. We made it into the car with our good old storage unit.
I'm excited.
Yeah, I'm really excited. I think it's gonna look really good. And we got the little baskets. And we didn't get anything that we didn't need or anything that we didn't go in for, which is very good.
Even the cute little basket.
Rachel's very upset, but it's fine. So we're gonna drive home now and then build it.
You gonna build the flat pack, George?
I can help. Look at her go. Woohoo! Basket number 1. Ready to rumble. Do the honors. Oh, yes! What do you reckon?
I love it. Yeah.
I love it too. Plant.
Yeah, I literally just
Maybe my fiddle leaf, honestly. Hide it for a little bit until it gets a bit prettier. It is much later now. It is 20 to 9 p.m. and I completely forgot to vlog for the rest of the afternoon, but my brother came over and we went and had lunch together, and then I pretty much napped on the couch all afternoon until our friend Grace came over, and we just chilled out on our couch until we had to leave for church. Went to church, came home, and now I am going to sleep. So I did have a pretty chill weekend, but I did want to bring you guys along for it anyway. It is Monday tomorrow and I have a really fun, exciting day planned, so I'll obviously be vlogging it for you. But yeah, I'm gonna watch a little bit of Netflix in bed before I fall asleep. I'm watching the show Unbelievable. I'm on the second last episode, so it's probably a little bit dangerous watching it before I go to sleep because I'm gonna want to watch all of it, but hopefully I'll just watch one episode and then I'll go to sleep because I have an early start tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you all in my next video in the very near future. Bye!